Time delay routines in microcontroller 8051. What is time delay routine? To hold the output or operation of the microcontroller must be forced into delay routine. This delay can be maybe or increased by increasing number of loops in the program. Let us see a single loop and two loop programming examples for a time delay routine. First one is going to see about the single loop delay routine using microcontroller 8051. Here the first instruction is MOV R1, #FF. When this instruction is executed, the value FF is moved to register R1. Is loaded to register R1. And second instruction is DJNZ R1, wait. DJNZ is decrement jump not equal to 0. This instruction decrements the value in register R1 until it reaches 0. So again the same instruction is executed until R1 is 0. After the R1 is 0 is moved to next instruction SJMP halt. Here the program will be stops. So a certain amount of delay is created until R1 is equal to 0. In the same way we can increase the number of loops and we can create the more number of delays. Next we are going to say about the double loop routine using microcontroller 8051. Here first instruction is MOV R1, #FF. Again we are moving value FF to register R1. And second instruction is MOV R2, FE. And here FE, the data FE is moved to register R2. And third instruction is DJNZ R2, wait. So this instruction decrement the value in the register R2 until the R2 is 0. Same instruction is executed again and again. After that, when R2 becomes 0, it moves to next instruction DJNZ R1, loop. Again this instruction decrements the value in register R1. Again it execute the same instruction. It's moved to the loop, jump to the looping program. Again the same instruction from the MOV R2, #FE is executed. After when R1 is equal to decremented to 0, is moved next instruction SJMP halt. After the execution of SJMP halt, the program will be halted.